I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll find sine inverse of sine x. The question is, find exact values of sine inverse of sine 5 pi by 4 and sine inverse of sine 7 pi by 6. Now let's begin by doing sine inverse of sine 5 pi by 4. So it is sine inverse of, what is sine pi by 4? Now for finding sine pi by 4, let us first check in which quadrant we are. So this is 1 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3, 4 and 5 pi by 4. So you are in quadrant 3. So in quadrant 3 you expect negative answer. So it is negative 1 over square root 2, right? Pi by 4 is 1 over square root 2. So that you get from the special triangle, right? So pi by 4 triangle is kind of like this, where the angles are, the sides are equal and the hypotenuse square root 2, right? That is pi by 4. So we get sine inverse of minus 1 over square root 2. Now when is sine negative? Whenever we are working in sine inverse, we have our domain restricted to, we know, the value of x is actually restricted to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? So this is equals to minus pi by 4, right? So that is the answer. So sine inverse of sine 5 pi by 4 is not really equal to 5 pi by 4. It is minus pi by 4. Do you see that? And the reason is that the domain of inverse function is within minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? So if you have an angle here which is not in this domain, then we will see that sine inverse of sine x is not equal to x. If x is not within the domain, right? Since x is not in the domain of sine inverse x. Do you understand the concept, right? So we did get an answer which is different from 5 pi by 4. So that is what you need to understand. So keeping that in mind, let's also do the next one, which is kind of same. So we have sine inverse of sine 7 pi by 6, right? So 7 pi by 6 basically will be, pi by 6 is here, so 7 pi by 6 is kind of here, right? So we get negative, and what is the value? Let's sketch the triangle here. The angle pi by 6, the sides are 1, 2, square root 3, that is 90. So 7 pi by 6, it will be 1 over 2, but negative since you are in quadrant 3. So this is negative half. Sine inverse of negative half is going to be minus pi by 6, right? So it is going to be minus pi by 6. That is to say, because our domain is from minus pi by, so you are in this quadrant, right? Fourth quadrant, minus pi by 6, right? So as you can see, sine function is kind of like this, and the negative value here is here. So that is minus pi by 6, which gives you that result. So in this case also, what you notice is that sine inverse of sine x is not equal to x, since the given value is not in the domain minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So if that is not the case, then you will get a different angle, right? They are related angles, but they are different angles. So that is what we need to understand. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you and all the best.